Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Fahameurbic YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn Arabic vocabulary. The first word is آلة خياطة. آلة خياطة. آلة خياطة. This word is known as sewing machine. The next word is إبرة. 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 This word is known as needle. The next word is خيط. 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 This word is known as thread. The next word is مئبرة. 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 In English, this word is known as pin case. The next word is تشريج. تشريج. تشريد. In English, this word is known as patching. The next word is summon. Summon. Sum. In English, this word is known as pinhole. The next word is بكرة الخيطان. بكرة الخيطان. بكرة الخيطان. In English, this word is known as spool of thread. The next word is مقص. 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 This word is known as scissors. The next word is مكواة. 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 This word is known as iron. The next word is ترقيع. 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 This word is known as grafting. The next word is تطريز. 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 This word is known as embroidery. This video ends here. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then share it and also subscribe this channel. Jazakumullah.